Got a pool that's more trouble than it's worth? Dreaming of a lush garden, a sleek patio, or an outdoor kitchen? Think DIY pool removal is the answer? Let's talk about why that's a risky idea. Removing a pool isn't just draining water and filling a hole. It's an intense, technical project that involves heavy machinery, permits, and Arizona's unique soil challenges. Skip the permit? You're looking at fines. Hit a utility line? That's a repair bill you don't want. And let's not forget injuries or unstable ground that could tank your property value. DIY might seem cheaper, but when you add up rental costs, time, and risk, it's a gamble you don't need to take. That's where Lazer Companies comes in. We're the pros Arizona trusts to safely and efficiently remove pools without the headaches. We handle the permits, utility disconnections, and demolition. Our expert compaction ensures your yard won't sink or shift down the line. And once the pool's gone, we help you unlock your backyard's potential. Imagine a garden oasis, a state-of-the-art patio, or a jaw-dropping outdoor kitchen. Our team transforms liabilities into opportunities, saving you time, money, and stress. Your backyard deserves better. Let the experts at Lazer Companies handle your pool removal from start to finish. Call us today for a free consultation and take the first step toward the outdoor space you've always dreamed of.